How to remove Clyde bot from Discord. So if you want to remove the Clyde bot from your Discord, then let's see if it's possible or not. And if you go for the searches, then here it says Clyde cannot be removed from Discord. So unless you rejoin the server and reobtain the administrative privileges that allowed you to control the bot in the first place, assuming you ever had them. So unless you do that, you will not be able to remove from Discord. And the second thing, that it is not a bot. It's just a name that Discord uses to display on messages that are sent by Discord. So it's not a bot and you can't remove that Clyde bot. But if you really want to disable it, then you may have this option in some regions. So if you have this option, you can go and disable that. So this feature is present on the upper right side of your profile. So click on your profile and then you will have a disable button and you can press Clyde. And if you press the disable button, then Clyde will DM you asking, do you want to disable me? And if you do, then you have the full opportunity to DM anyone and probably annoy them. So if this option works, then you can simply try. But instead of that, we don't have any other option to remove the Clyde bot. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.